Welcome back to the workshop. We're in here today. We had a customer drop off a, let's see, what is this? So Husquvarna 128 LD. And they have said that they have, have replaced, let's see, we'll start, only runs half choked, then stalls out, has new spark plug, filter, and gas. So we're going to go ahead and see what's going on with it. I've kind of given it a quick, just brought it home, and first thing I'm kind of wondering about, it acts like if it's choking out like that, it's not getting enough gas, generally speaking, or it's not enough air, whatever. New filter and all's on it, but I am noticing that when I grab a hold of this thing, that's the carburetor and the cover and everything. I just don't think that's supposed to move like that. So I think I'm going to dig in there and see if that's just loose or if there is an actual rubber gasket or something underneath this thing that's doing it. So we're going to tear this apart just a little bit, take the filter off. There's just a couple little nuts in behind there, and we'll see what we find. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've just taken the two little nuts off of this one. I believe they were 5/16 nuts. And we'll take this and pull this on off of there. Get it out of the way, and now we are left with this. And like I say, that whole carburetor is just bouncing around. So we look in here. Let's see if we can see something. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this. I might have to see if I can get the light to turn on this thing or something. Let's see if we can if we can look down in there. There's the little nut down in there, a bolt. I don't know if you can tell, but that thing is allowing that whole thing to move. So we'll have to pull this carburetor off of here. That should just pull right off of these studs. We'll get in there and see if we can show you a little bit better what we got to tighten up. Okay, as we look here, you can see there's two screws in here. One of them is this one right here, and then there's another one that's back into here. And this is just a T25. And like I say, this thing should be, I imagine, very loose. It acted like it was. Put that in there, and let's see. I don't know. That ain't really tightening a whole lot, but I need to make sure that those are good and snugged up. And that one there is turned about 4 turns right there. Yeah, that's now, I don't know if you can tell that or not, but that's all it was, is that bottom screw down there was about 4 turns out. So we'll go ahead and snug all that up. What that was doing is keeping the gas from being able to get in there. You had to choke it because you were getting so much extra air coming in around that it was not able to get enough fuel to do it. So choking it off allowed the air to come through here to mix with your gas to keep it running. So I anticipate putting this together. She'll fire right up and run just fine. So that's what we're going to do with it, and we'll see how she runs. All right, we've got her put back together, and you can see that it now is nice and secure. So we'll go ahead and see if we can't fire that bad boy up, see if she'll run. Okay, I tried to start a little bit after we tightened all that up. I think I did get it start after pulling it out several times. I'm kind of questioning whether or not somebody played with this carburetor or not. But anyways, now we got, I went ahead and did a little bit of adjustment on that high side in the thing to get it to run out, but you can see now it's nice idle, choke is not on, exactly what we needed. So that fixed that one right on up. That does a good job for it. Customer shouldn't have any problems after this. We'll take it on back to them. I hope that was helpful. Something for you to look at if you're having a little trouble with yours. Don't play with the carburetor if you can help it. Usually it's something else is causing it. So this one here was definitely loose. Carburetor a little out of adjustment. We got that good. Appreciate you checking me out, and we'll catch you on the next project. Please hit that like, subscribe, and a little bell so you get notifications on other repairs we do. Thanks a bunch. Talk to you on the next one.